What's up guys, welcome back to my mini sweet potato series. So I love pancakes for breakfast, and sometimes it does get boring, so I like to switch it up. If you haven't seen my other pancake recipe, it's a healthy banana pancake recipe. I'm going to leave a link to it above. Like I was saying, if you haven't, so I love pancakes, I love pancakes and I love to switch it up. So that brings me to today's recipe, which is sweet potato pancakes. So that's it for today's recipe, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to tag me in your recipes. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I'd like to see what your creative genius has done. And yeah, also if you haven't checked out my previous sweet potato 4 ways, feel free to check it out down here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.